How to sign into your BMO online banking. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily log into your BMO online bank. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you do is open up your web browser and simply search for BMO Harris Bank. And from here you'll be taken to this page. Now you just have to click on the link where it says online banking and open it up. Once you land on this page right here, just wait for the page to load completely. And on the top right, you have an option to sign in. Go ahead and tap right here. Now, if you don't have an account, you can register now to create a new one. So simply tap on this, and you'll be taken to the login portal or the user creation portal right here. So the first option is the type of account that you want to have. So if you want to have savings account, you just tap on savings, and here you can just enter your account number. And once you have done that, you can enter your social security number, or you can also use your taxpayer identification number to verify your account. And once you have done that, you can simply go ahead and tap on next. And once that is done, you can simply go ahead and follow the on-screen instruction where you will need a government ID, government issued ID to verify yourself, and then you should be all good to go. So just follow these simple steps until you reach here, and then your account should be created. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.